Welcome to Foxtecc. If you want to download a Pinterest video on your iPhone without a watermark, there's a simple way to do it, and I'll show you step by step. First, open the Pinterest app and find the video you want to download. Below the video, you'll see some options. Tap the share button and then select copy link. This will save the video's link so you can use it in the next step. Now open a web browser like Safari or Chrome and search for a Pinterest video downloader. There are plenty of options available, so it doesn't really matter which one you choose. Once you're on the website, paste the copied link into the input box and tap download. The site should then give you different download options. Select the one that doesn't include a watermark and save the video to your iPhone. Once the download is complete, open the Photos app to find and watch the saved video. And that's it. Now you know how to download Pinterest videos on iPhone without a watermark. If this helped, let me know in the comments. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you later.